How to sharpen images in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make these photos more sharper. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of your project here. So here I'm tapping on one. So I've been loaded to this editing interface. Now again, simply tap on this picture to enable different tools. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called adjust. Simply tap on adjust, and here on the last option you can see sharpen. Simply tap on sharpen. So here you can even get a slider. Now you can adjust the slider however you want. So you can adjust the slider according to the picture and your preference. At last, simply tap on done and you're saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.